Hello, my name is Nick Davis with Team Davis Remax Premier Group. And today we're going to go over 7 reasons why buying a home is smarter than renting a home here in the Tampa Bay area. Reason number 1, you build equity. When you purchase a home, you essentially are investing in yourself. And every single month, a portion of your payment goes to pay off the actual mortgage. The rest of it is for taxes, insurance, and interest, but you are actually investing in yourself. Reason number 2, you get tax breaks. Were you aware that when you own a home, when it comes time to do your taxes, that you can deduct your interest and your taxes off your federal income taxes? Now, you definitely need to talk to your accountant because depending upon whether the standard deduction is more or the interest and taxes is more will determine which way you want to file your tax returns. Reason number 3, you have more control. When you're renting, the landlord's in control. They can raise the rent every year. They can tell you what you can or can't do. And in a lot of leases, they have what's called a due on sale clause, which means that even during the rental period, if that owner decides to sell, you'll have to move out or they can file an eviction against you. Reason number 4, you can customize the home however you want. When you are renting, normally you even have to get permission to paint a wall a different color. But as a homeowner, you can do whatever you want to the home. In some communities, they actually have what's called an architectural review committee, whereas if you're going to make changes to the exterior of the home, you still have to get permission from the Homeowners Association. But as long as you're not doing something crazy, I've never had the Architectural Review Committee decline or disapprove any request I've done. Reason number 5, you're more likely to stay put. As a renter, again, like I said, you're at the mercy of the landlord. They can raise the rent. So you're more likely to be moving more frequently as a renter. And staying in one place for a while gives you a more sense of stability. Believe me, Cindy and I moved around for 20 years while we were in the Army, and we never stayed in one place more than 4 years. Reason number 6, you have a place to call your own. When you're renting, the home is the landlord's. You're just renting the space. As a homeowner, you're more than likely going to feel a sense of pride and accomplishment. I know when Cindy and I bought our first home in 1989, it felt so liberating and so good because, we had, our son was born and we were moving into our new home. And it just made us feel really, really good. Reason number 7, you're investing in your future. Like I said earlier, every month, a portion of your payment is going to pay that mortgage off. And so you are building equity in the home you own. So when it comes time to sell that home, your principal balance of what you owe will be less. Here in Florida, they have what's called the homestead exemption. And so as a homeowner, when it comes time to sell your home, if you're married, you can claim up to $500,000 in capital gains with 0 tax liability. I mean, you have to report that money coming in, but because it's a homesteaded property, which it means it's your principal residence or your primary residence, and that you lived in that home 2 out of the last 5 years, anything up to $500,000 as a married couple or $250,000 as a single person is completely tax-free. No taxes on it. So, in a nutshell, those are the 7 reasons why purchasing a home here in the Tampa Bay area is much smarter than renting. If you're thinking about purchasing a home, you'll probably want to give Cindy and I a call at 813-300-7116. And if there's a subject you'd like to know more about, go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section and we'll make a video specifically for you. And lastly, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel with the notifications turned on. This way, anytime we make a new video about something real estate related or just some good information to know about the Tampa Bay area, you'll be notified immediately. Talk to you soon.